Happy Friday, everyone! Let's talk about essential oils. They're compounds, aromatic compounds found in tree bark, flowers, leaves, stems, roots, and many more plant parts. The plants use essential oils to either repel prey, protect themselves from mold and bacteria, and also attracting animals to spread their pollen or their seeds. So how might we use essential oils? So we can use them for health, wellness, beauty practices, and cleaning. So you can diffuse oils into the air using a diffuser, and this cleanses the air and gets rid of odor, but it can also improve your mood or calm you down as well. You can apply oils topically. Now, the important thing to note when applying them topically is that you do need to dilute your oil using a carrier oil. So this is another oil that you put it in, so either olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, you name it, you can use it as a carrier oil. So to dilute for an adult, so 12 years to an adult, you dilute 2%. For 6 to 12 years old, 1%. For 2 to 6, 0.5%, and for infants to 2, 0.25% dilution. Now I do have a chart that breaks this down. If you are interested, just let me know and I can send you my essential oil handout. And if you are sensitive or your child is sensitive, I dilute even further than that, than the recommended amount, just to prevent any irritation. So if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider first before you use oils. Also, do your own research, figure out what you're comfortable using as well. Now, a nice kind of hint for breastfeeding moms, don't use peppermint oil because it can decrease your milk supply. Some of my favorite oils are lemon. I like to use this one for cleaning, and it can also repel insects and improve your mood. I love peppermint because it can help with digestion and your respiratory system, as well as muscle aches. And it repels lots of insects, but I use it specifically for spiders. They're one of my least favorites. Frankincense, which is considered the king of oils because it's been around for thousands of years, and it increases cellular function. It's great skincare regimen, and it brings a sense of peace and a sense of wellness if you're diffusing it in the air. Lavender, it's calm and it soothes skin irritations, and it's a really great one to diffuse when you're going to bed. Another thing to note is if you have pets, you may need to dilute further or diffuse even less, because our pets are more sensitive to oils than we are, because they don't process stuff the same way humans do. So it's important to note that, and I would definitely take a look and see, because it varies from whatever type of pet you have. So some oils are, not good for cats, but they're okay for dogs, and vice versa. So definitely do your research and make sure that the oils you're using are safe for your pets, because they're family too. As far as the brand of oil, I personally use doTERRA, and if you want more information on doTERRA, let me know. But as long as you're finding a reputable company that does research and shows you the sources of their oils, that's a big thing. Make sure you know where your oils come from. So quality oil is just the big key there. And that's what I have for you today. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week.